Okay, cool. So this not this one. This one right here is from one of my very first videos about Forex. And I did not know about the patterns back then. So I noticed this was the pattern right here in my first video. I got a bullish candle, a strong bullish candle, and then bearish, bullish about the same size, and then bearish. And then once it broke the low of the previous, it went all the way down to support. I didn't notice that then. So that was a while back. It was like 3 months ago, 4 months ago. This was about a month ago. I noticed this pattern for the first time. This is when I noticed it. Strong, uh, bullish, bearish, about the same size. And then once it broke the low of the previous right there, it went to go fill down to support. So today, when I was trading, I noticed it right here. It may look kind of difficult, but it's a 15-minute. You get a strong bullish candle right here, and then bearish candle. This one doesn't count because it's a pin bar. And then you get about an equal sized body again, bullish candle. So here, the previous pattern looked just like a straight candle down, but it didn't. It just didn't shake out that way. So right here, once it continued and it broke here, is when I entered the trade right here. But I was taking it down, and I'm really trying to take it all the way down here. I'm already out of the trade. I got my profit um, right here. Right here, I just took it. Um, but what I'm thinking is on the 30-minute, if you look on the up, what up? So let me go back to the 15. This, I'm assuming, is coming down here to support. So it's either going to be here